It's a really nice mashup of cinnamon toast and bread pudding together. If they ever decide to give out Nobel Prizes for recipes, let's be real, I gotta get in line, okay? So many people before me, but I will get in that line. And it goes a little something like this. Hit it!
I'm gonna make a really quick cinnamon toast spread.
It's softened butter, sugar, salt, and of course, cinnamon. I slather that on thick slices of brioche.
I'm gonna throw them in the oven to make some toast.
While those bake, I make my custard. It's orange juice, heavy cream, yogurt, salt, and eggs.
Teaspoon of our vanilla extract, and then I'm just gonna whisk away.
I like to toss in some grapes. I cut my toasted brioche, arrange it in a pan. When you're arranging them, just think about like shingles on the top of a house and pour over all that luscious custard. I really love the texture of having some of the toast points outside of the actual bread pudding. So you've got that crunchy, but then cushy, moist deliciousness beneath.
Let it rest for a little bit so all the custard can soak up into the bread. I'm gonna put it into a 400-degree oven for just about 20 to 25 minutes.
When that cinnamon toast pudding comes out of the oven,
Look at what comes out.
you have one exceptional meal.
We're gonna add some maple syrup, a little bit of powdered sugar over the top. You can't tell me that doesn't look like brunch right there. That's so good.